NASDAQ this week has risen in value. We can see the price has managed to reach this area of resistance 21509, making a bullish breakout, reaching the next resistance level 21799. From here we can see on a Thursday the price formed this strong bearish engulfing candle, reaching the next support level and then stopping, and on Friday the price returned back up. So the weekly time frame is showing us again a bullish candle, which means continuation of the bullish pressure. We can see the price is currently in the uptrend, and also this means a monthly time frame is forming a bullish candle. How the price will react around this area of resistance, which is very close to all-time high price level, we'll see. But currently how it looks for the NASDAQ, this looks a bullish oriented. But it's very important to see how the next week will close, because this resistance level 21799.87 is a very important resistance level for the market currently. The daily time frame shows me that the price is managing to make a bullish breakout slowly. This was the hardest one. We can see that. But if the price has managed this one bullish breakout, I am expecting that the price will easily move further higher. So I'm expecting the price moving to the higher price levels. But we'll see how the Monday opens, because after the weekend there is most of the time the gap could form, like in this example here, like in this example here, like in this example here. So many gaps during over the weekend. So it's very important to see how the price will open. After that, we will see and follow the market. And also, if there is any bullish or bearish breakouts, I will inform the traders inside the premium analysis about that. For example, this bullish breakout has been formed around this area of resistance, 21509, and then the price was targeting this one here. If you would like to receive these updates during the week, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, and join other traders who receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.